When cities invest in planting trees, the goal is not simply to add greenery to the landscape. The real goal is to develop large, mature trees that provide long-term environmental benefits. While young trees are important for the future of the urban forest, mature trees are the ones providing the majority of benefits today. Large trees intercept more rainfall, store more carbon, provide more shade, and support more wildlife than small trees. In fact, the environmental value of a mature tree can be many times greater than that of a newly planted tree. For example, a large mature tree may intercept hundreds of gallons of rainfall each year, helping reduce stormwater runoff and pressure on urban drainage systems. The broad canopy of a mature tree can shade buildings, sidewalks, and streets, reducing surface temperatures and lowering energy demand for air conditioning. Large trees also store significantly more carbon in their wood and roots than smaller trees. Because they have accumulated biomass over many decades, mature trees play an important role in carbon storage within urban ecosystems. Mature trees also provide habitat for wildlife. Birds, insects, and other organisms depend on large trees for nesting sites, food sources, and shelter. As trees grow older, they develop more complex structures such as cavities, large branches, and layered canopies that support biodiversity. Despite these benefits, mature trees can sometimes be overlooked in urban forestry programs. Many cities emphasize tree planting initiatives, which are highly visible and popular with the public. Planting events are positive community activities and often receive media attention. However, planting trees is only the beginning of the process. It can take 20 to 50 years for a newly planted tree to reach maturity and provide the full range of ecosystem services. This means that protecting existing mature trees is extremely important. When mature trees are removed, cities may lose decades of environmental benefits that cannot be replaced quickly. Urban foresters therefore focus not only on planting new trees, but also on protecting existing canopy. This includes monitoring tree health, preventing construction damage, and managing tree risk carefully. Urban foresters often evaluate mature trees through inspections that assess structural integrity, health, and potential hazards. In some cases, mature trees may require pruning or support systems to maintain stability. The goal is to extend the lifespan of these valuable trees whenever possible. Another important consideration is canopy continuity. If large numbers of mature trees are lost without replacement planting, canopy coverage may decline dramatically. Urban forestry programs aim to ensure that younger trees are growing and developing before mature trees reach the end of their lifespan. This approach helps maintain consistent canopy coverage across generations of trees. For the ISA Urban Forest Professional Exam, remember that large mature trees provide the majority of ecosystem services in an urban forest. Protecting mature canopy is therefore a key strategy in urban forest management. Exam questions often emphasize that planting trees is important, but preserving existing mature trees provides immediate and significant benefits. Today we explored why mature trees are essential to the health and function of urban forests. These trees provide the majority of environmental benefits and represent decades of growth and ecological value. But even healthy trees can face threats from severe weather. In the next podcast, we'll explore how storms affect urban forests and how cities prepare for storm events. You've been listening to the Arborist-podcast. Our goal is to grow our collective knowledge, one domain at a time. If you enjoyed the podcast, please like, share, and subscribe to help us keep this momentum. Until next time, let's keep growing this community together.